Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Free Yarn. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet for absolute beginners. In this video we're making chain and single crochet. Let's go! First, tie the yarn around your fingers like this. Then grab your crochet hook and pull the yarn through the loop like this. I do it twice so that you can learn more easily. Now we pull the yarn and this is our slip knot. Again, tie the yarn around your finger. Then we start making our chains. Take the yarn easily and pull it through the loop like this. I do it again so you can learn it more easily. And this is our chains, and next I'll teach you how to make single crochets. So tie the yarn around your fingers. Now we start from the second chain. Go through the chain, grab the yarn, two pulls in your hook, grab the yarn, pull it through. I do it again so that you can learn more easily. And this is our single crochets. Don't forget to like this video, and if you have any question you can ask it in comments. In next video we'll make half double crochet and double crochet. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, please subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you.